Modern civilization believes technology is salvation. If the planet overheats, we invent cooling. If resources run out, we engineer substitutes. If systems fail, we automate solutions. But technology does not solve problems. It amplifies intent. Every tool humanity has ever created has served two purposes simultaneously: construction and destruction, stability and instability, healing and acceleration of collapse. The difference is not the tool. It is the system guiding its use. Technology increases efficiency. Efficiency increases scale. Scale increases impact. If the underlying system is flawed, technology does not fix it. It makes the failure happen faster. This is why emissions rose after efficiency improvements. This is why automation increased extraction. This is why digital optimization intensified consumption. We did not solve problems, we removed friction. Earth does not need faster systems, it needs restrained ones. Technology without restraint is not progress. It is momentum without steering. No technology can override planetary physics. No algorithm can negotiate with thermodynamics. No innovation can erase carrying capacity. Technology can assist restoration only if goals change first. If the goal is growth, technology accelerates collapse. If the goal is balance, technology enables recovery. The question is not what we can build. It is what we should allow. Earth restoration requires ethical governance of capability. Not everything that can be done should be done. Not every resource that can be extracted should be extracted. Not every process that can be optimized should be optimized. Technology must serve planetary limits, not challenge them. A civilization that survives is not the most advanced technologically. It is the most disciplined in how power is applied. Earth does not need more innovation. It needs wiser restraint.